Hello, today we're presenting the best solution for speedometer calibration on Ford vehicles. If you've installed larger wheels or tires, and your speed reading is no longer accurate, this simple plug-and-play device will fix that instantly. It works on all Ford models from 2016 onward, no matter if you have a digital dashboard or an analog speedometer with pointers. Here's the full list of compatible models. Ford F-150 from 2015 to today. Ford F-150 Lightning from 2020 to today. Ford Bronco from 2021 to today. Also works perfectly with Bronco Sport and Bronco Raptor. Ford Everest from 2021 to today. Ford Expedition from 2017 to today. That includes the US, European, and Australian versions. Ford Explorer from 2019 to today. Ford Maverick and Ford Ranger from 2022 to today. And all Ford vans, including Transit, Tourneo, and others. Now let's talk about how it works. This is a true plug-and-play system. No wire cutting, no coding, no issues. Just install it, and the speedometer will immediately show the corrected speed, compensating for the changes in wheel size. The device offers 5 calibration modes. Mode 1 increases speed reading by 5%, Mode 2 by 10%, Mode 3 by 15%, Mode 4 by 20%, and Mode 5 turns the correction off completely. This allows you to fine-tune your speed reading exactly to match your setup. So whether you're driving a Bronco, an F-150, or a Ford van, this is the ultimate speed calibration tool. 100% reversible, works on all models, safe, simple, and effective. Get yours today and drive with confidence, knowing your speed is always right.